Hi everyone, this is Kristen and that's Frankenstein. And that's right, Frankenstein. And we're here to talk about what I found at Trader Joe's, okay, which is so important, and I will talk about why it is so important. But let's see if it works. So I have two products here that I cannot live without, and they are from Trader Joe's. Dry shampoo and hair serum. And I'm trying not to wash my hair every day because it's kind of dry. So that seems to be okay. But of course, you still need to dry shampoo the roots and stuff. Yeah. So anyway, I noticed that I was going through a lot of dry shampoo, and honestly, finding this at Trader Joe's for $5 sounds pretty good to me. However, does it work? I mean, nothing's gonna work. What is this? Okay, first of all, it's like a weird pump. Oh, you're not supposed to take that off? It's just a weird pump. Okay. Weird pump doesn't work. Okay. Maybe this is worth the $5. And only $5. Oh, it's a powder. Well, how do I feel about that? Kind of like, Okay, it smells pretty good. It's kind of unscented. I guess like oh, nice. It's settling nice. This is pretty good. Let me get other spots I like to dry shampoo. You can't really tell what's going on back there, so I like to really extra fluff it around. And I'm totally keeping this weird pump right at my scalp so the powder doesn't go everywhere. I know I'm going super fast. So this is pretty good stuff. Because all you can really judge your dry shampoo by is how it feels. You know? It's kind of a subjective thing. Okay, on top of that, another thing I like to do, is use this like hair serum type things. And usually I use like Philip B. Expensive. But I'm going to try the $4.99 from Trader Joe's. I'm just going to put, I don't know why their caps are annoying. But you got to kind of get it going here. All right, here. I put 2 pumps because the first pump is kind of weenie. I'm gonna just rub it into the fingertip area and just, ooh, that's very nice. So far, I'm getting good effects, and this is definitely doing what it's supposed to do. I am liking this a lot. Okay. I took out this giant coconutty smell. Waffle iron. If you don't like the coconutty smell, this is not for you. This is maybe I use too much sometimes because it's a little greasy. The waffle iron. So I don't know what this is really called. I do have a video on it. It's like the Bondi Boost one. I never felt the need to get another one of these after I got this Bondi Boost one. So in my opinion, that means it's pretty good. There is a video I made a long time ago that has the word Bondi Boost in it, and you can definitely, I'll try to link it, but my computer skills, Oh, it's a little crimpergy there. Yeah. I want to camouflage that crimpergy kind of, okay. here. Another way, if you don't like that it looks like you have like a barrette there, you can go all the way up to the top. And now it's light. And we'll do some on this side. I still love this Bondi Boost crimper. It's the best one. If you do get that line like that, you can also flip it over like this. And it won't be as noticeable. I just like the crimp better on the other side, and that doesn't bother me so much. So back in here, finding that I don't need to reapply more hair serum, whereas normally with like the Philip B or something I would have to apply more serum back there. This one is very, like I said, it's very kind of greasy, so you don't need as much. La, la, la. Doesn't this look like Frankenstein's doing my hair? I do love horror movies. Let's just kind of cribberage back here. I'm going to hold it in the back a little bit longer to let the heat work on these kind of areas that get matted quickly. That'll soften it. And I think I had another one back here, yeah. I'd rather like put this nice heat on it instead of a ton of oil. And I'm not pressing. I don't press with this because I don't want it super kinky or anything. It's just a soft, beachy wave. And voila. One more right here, okay? This is kind of like, I could touch this up all day because it's so much fun. Okay, I'm going to try and if I unplug out of the wall, I will stop. I will stop. That's good news. Put that down. Separate myself from that. Fun stuff. And voila, this is like the third day of not washing my hair. And thanks to Trader Joe's, I am so grateful for both these products, the hair serum $4.99 and Trader Joe's dry shampoo. I think I'm gonna make a little poofy, just a little more in here. I kind of like this dry shampoo a lot. It's like that hair powder combo that I just really like. I'm like treating it like hairspray. How weird. Yeah. Okay, the best part, $4.99. So if you use this stuff every day, this might be the way to go. $4.99. I really love trying new hair products, so please like and subscribe, and I'll be back with something totally different. Who knows?